Okay, hi traders. Here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another Candlestick Psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So here, this was a trend continuation after a pullback from the 1 deviation lower Bollinger Band, or for 50 EMA. Yes, you see here a nice pullback, and because this candle here closed above the 20 EMA in an uptrend, I have done here a call option in an uptrend, yes, and now I will do a put, yes, because I'm sure that price will go down from this level. That are those kind of concepts which I have explained in the 7th edition of the ebook. I will show you this after this trade, why I have done this. For example, this candle here is showing me that next candle, because we broke here through the 20 EMA I was expecting a huge candle here. This huge candle didn't happen, and that was the reason why I understood that price will reverse. That is explained in my ebook. I will show you this after the trade. Yes, this kind of concept, yes, where you understand from the previous candle, the running candle, what the running candle will do. And that is what I have done. So, and after this, let me see now. If this candle will engulf this candle, yes, okay, okay, I will do a put again, because I'm sure that this is a fake breakout of the 20 EMA, and price will enter again in this kind of consolidation area between the 20 and the 50 EMA. So, you see, it was really fast. I can show you now those kind of concepts which I was talking about, yes. First of all, the pullback. That is this concept here where I talked about the about the highest probability trading setups. Yes, you see price get to a pullback, and after a pullback here, yes, you see you get into a trend continuation. This pullback was here on the 50 EMA. You see here 50 EMA. That is this one. It's not like this one. Then the concept about the fake breakout. Yes, that is this one here. Yes. Watch these videos and try to understand this. The fake breakout here, yes. Let me see where I have fake breakout. It doesn't look like this, yes, but it's the same concept like this evening star fake breakout here, yes. And then obviously the part about the 7th edition ebook, yes, where I talked about what you should expect. First of all, also this one here where I talked about the support and resistance level based on the candlestick, yes, because the spinning top is nothing else than a combination of a shooting star and a hammer. Yes, the spinning top has the upper shadow of the spinning top is a resistance, and the lower shadow of the spinning top is a support level. And then last but not least, this kind of concept which I have explained and applied, yes. After you see that price will not unfold like expect, yes, then you can expect that there will be a reversal. You see here, I have done this with some really clear candlesticks, but this can apply to any kind of concept, and I have applied this here on this kind. Let me see here, opening price. Yes, no, let me see here. So, yes, you see here, this candle was not going up further above the 20 EMA, because we are here in a major uptrend, and because this candle got this kind of weak, I entered at the top of the spinning top, yes, like I have explained here in this kind of concept, yes, about the entry point, yes, above or below the closing price of the previous candle. Yes, you see here, if you're going into a put, try to get above the closing price of the previous candle. And I have done this because I want to do a put here. I entered above the closing price of the candle. So that are those kind of concepts which I have explained and which are all explained in the ebook. So I would say that was it already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. And I would say stay safe and bye-bye.